Okay, welcome back to a new episode of Titan Auto House YouTube series, and this series will be talking about an installation of Ford Raptor 3.0 Petrol. And what's so special about this is it's a first titanium set that we'll be installing for Raptor in Malaysia. Okay, so this owner actually pre-ordered with us about a month ago for this titanium set, and when he first got his car, he has actually done a PPF, full body PPF with us, and now the exhaust has finally arrived, so we'll do a bit of unboxing to see what's inside. The customer first came to us. He wanted a more aggressive sound from his Raptor. And I showed him we have done multiple stainless steel catback system from Veleno. The sound is very good, but he wanted something extra, something more. Maybe in terms of performance, lightweight reduction. So this is why we've got him a titanium catback system. In titanium catback system, you can see the materials is so much lighter than a stainless steel, at least 30 to 40% lightweight reduction compared to the stainless steel. However, in terms of the sound, I'm not sure yet because this is the first set that we're installing here. Why not let's hear the stock exhaust sound first. Wow, when we were trying out the stock exhaust sound, we realized something unusual. And guess what? The owner has installed a HKS blow-off valve. Okay, here guys, we have taken out the full system of the original catback system. So now we're going to compare what's the difference between the stock exhaust and the Veleno system. So mainly you can see these two are the original tailpipes, and it has a mini muffler here, whereas on the Veleno one is just straight on with a straight pipe. So this will enhance the sound of this car as well as performance.
More power, baby!
And next, moving on to the diameter of this exhaust pipe. So let me measure here. The original one is 62 millimeters, whereas the Veleno ones are 67 millimeters. So that's a 5 millimeter bigger in terms of diameter for these two tailpipes. And next is the exhaust tips. So obviously with a car like this, we want a much bigger and aggressive look for the exhaust tips. So the original exhaust tip size is about 86 millimeters, and the Veleno exhaust tip size is 106 millimeters. So that's 20 millimeters in terms of difference. So you can see, yeah, this is gonna look so great after we finish installation. The uniqueness of this Veleno catback system will change the mid-pipe mufflers as well. And one good thing is the original valve motors will be replaced into our system. Therefore, you are able to use back the exhaust mode on silent, normal, sport and Baja mode on your steering wheel. So guys, now we're just finished installing this full titanium catback system on this Raptor, and we're taking to the streets to do a few test drive and show you how the sounds like. Okay guys, so now we've done the installation here. As you can see, the exhaust tips is much bigger. It's about 20 mm bigger than the stock exhaust as we measured earlier. And then this set is a full titanium catback system, matching with the original valve controls as well as the steering control. As you can see, we did all the launch, the drive-bys, the rev, and especially going through the tunnels. I think it sounds crazy. This car is a beast, matching with the blow-off valves that the customer has done. This is the first ever full catback titanium that we have done on Veleno Ford 3.0 Petrol series. And I don't think this is the end of the modification for this car. The owner must have got more projects coming on, so make sure you stay tuned till our next episode.